Do you own a spa, or are you thinking of buying one? Love swimming or a good soak but want to keep your family safe from the sun? One thing you should consider is installing some shade. Why? Keep watching to find out. If you're shopping for a spa, or if you already own one thing you should really consider is installing some shade over it. Whether it's an umbrella, pergola, shade sail or gazebo, the right shade can protect you, your spa and your family from the elements. In this video you'll learn the top reasons to shade your spa pool. When you're buying a spa pool, most likely you're not thinking about shade, but you should. Today, sun protection is a hot topic, and for good reason. At Spa World, we highly recommend that pools and spas are shaded. Here's why. Number 1, sun protection. Australia and New Zealand have some of the highest rates of skin cancer in the world, mostly due to excess exposure to UV rays. Installing an umbrella or pergola or other shade structure over your spa will help protect you and your family from the sun and mean you can soak or swim for longer. It can also reduce the sun's glare off the water, which is annoying and can be harmful to your skin and eyes. Number 2, it's going to help your spa look good and last longer. The harsh summer sun and wet winter conditions can take a toll on the appearance of your spa, including fading and reduced life of the cabinet and cover. Shading your spa will help limit sun damage, protect the cover and exterior of the spa, and just generally keep it looking great for years to come. Number 3, your spa filters will thank you. Filters do an important job of trapping dirt and filtering the water in your spa. Installing an umbrella or pergola over your spa helps to keep debris out of your spa, which means you won't have to clean your filters as often. On the topic of water care, did you know that one of the worst things for clogging up filters is actually sunscreen? Why? Well, sunscreen is oil-based, and if it mixes with spa water, it can clog filters, create foam, and reduce water clarity. That's not great for your spa, and it can also mean extra maintenance and spending more on water care products. Number 4, it can save you money. Extreme heat or frosty weather can affect the heat of your spa and cause the temperature to fluctuate. This will affect the energy efficiency of your spa and could increase its running costs. You can't change the weather, but you can shelter your spa from the elements so it can operate efficiently year-round, whatever the conditions. Number 5, extend your living space outdoors. An umbrella or pergola can make your outdoor area or backyard more usable year-round. You could choose a rainproof shade and store towels and furniture under it. The choice is yours. Some types of shade come with pre-installed lights, which creates a beautiful atmosphere for an evening soak. We hope this video has highlighted the important and practical benefits of protecting yourself, your family and your spa from the elements. Thanks for watching. Website info and articles are in the descriptions below, so check them out.